Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States. In English, the phrase make friends simply means to form new connections with people. It's a common collocation that indicates the action of creating new friendships. When you make friends, you are building friendships with others. This phrase is often used when talking about social interactions. For example, when you start a new school, you might want to make new friends quickly. It might also mean that if you move to a new city, you'll need to make new friends in your community. Making friends is essential for socializing and feeling connected to others. It's a way to expand your social circle and have people to share experiences with. So, if you're moving and you want to make friends, show yourself friendly. And remember, it's important to make friends who support and uplift you.